Introduce the basics of App Store analytics, explaining metrics like downloads, impressions, and conversion rates. Demonstrate how to conduct A/B tests on app elements such as titles, descriptions, and visuals. Guide viewers on using analytics to monitor competitor performance and identify opportunities. Explore how user engagement metrics can inform app improvements and ASO strategies. Discuss the importance of user feedback in shaping app visibility and credibility. Show how optimizing app icons, screenshots, and videos can improve conversion rates. Dive deep into metrics like conversion rates and their role in ASO. Start optimizing your app today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit the bell icon to get updates on our latest tips and strategies.